Hi everyone, it's Lynn here. Today we're diving into one of the most coveted and powerful essential oils. It's Melissa, also known as the oil of light. This rare gem is treasured for its incredible benefits and its sweet, lemony fragrance. I'm passionate about uplifting families with natural solutions for mind, heart, and body. You are welcome to my free guide, Mom's Guide to Essential Oils. It's the perfect guide for anyone looking for quick answers on how and when to use essential oils. Access this guide through the link in the description. Melissa oil has been sought after for over 2,000 years in traditional European practices for immune, digestive, and cognitive support. To give you an idea of just how precious Melissa oil is, it takes a whopping 66 pounds of leaves to produce just one CPTG 5 milliliter bottle. Melissa is a powerhouse when it comes to supporting your mood and emotional well-being. It's known as the oil of light for a reason. It helps lift feelings of overwhelm and brings a sense of calm and balance. If you're dealing with nervous feelings, a thumb press on the roof of the mouth with Melissa can soothe your nerves quickly. Melissa is an amazing antioxidant, supporting your body in ridding cholesterol. This oil is also known to help with hypertension and heart palpitations. You can rub it topically over your heart and take internally in a capsule with fish oils. Melissa has been known to be extremely helpful to fight against viruses and even helping with cold sores or fever blisters. Simply apply it topically or take it internally in a capsule. I put this antiviral oil to the test when I had a very big painful wart right on the bottom of my foot. And I applied it topically a few times a day for 2 weeks. And then with no pain, it all crumbled and fell out of my foot. I also love to add the support of Melissa oil when I'm fighting off any kind of viral infection. Melissa has been known to help with dizziness or vertigo. To ease that spinning sensation, try applying it topically behind your ears or on the back of your neck. For women dealing with menstrual issues or infertility, Melissa can be a game changer. Rubbing it over your lower abdomen can help regulate hormones and ease discomfort. As I understand it, speaking in front of a group is often one of the most daunting fears a person can face. Don't let nerves ruin your big moment. Before a nerve-wracking speech, presentation, or performance, apply 1 or 2 drops of Melissa essential oil in the palms of your hands, cup them over your nose, and inhale deeply. Melissa oil is fantastic for calming tension and nerves, making it a powerful ally during those anxious times. Now, I know we've covered a lot today with Melissa, but the best way to truly experience the benefits of Melissa essential oil is to try it yourself. I'm inviting you to join me in a 7-day Melissa challenge. Use the thumb press method or take a few drops internally in a capsule 2 or 3 times a day for 7 days and see the difference that this oil can make in your life. Enjoy using the oil of light and let me know how it transforms your health. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. See you next time.